Hello everyone, welcome back. Again, we are here to discuss chapter 5 of social science. Okay, so you can open your books along with you and page number 63 of your discovering book. Okay, beta. So, in the previous video, we have discussed about that what are rivers and we have started with the Himalayan river systems. Okay, so under Himalayan river system, there are three rivers: the Ganga, the Indus, and the Brahmaputra. And in the last video, we have talked about the Ganga. Now, in this video, we will start with the Indus. So this is the second river that comes under the Himalayan river system. The Indus originates near Lake Mansarovar in the Himalayas in Tibet. From where it originates, beta? From near the Lake Mansarovar in the Himalayas in Tibet. Okay, and where the Ganga originates, the Ganga was originating from the Gangotri glacier in the Himalayan mountains. Okay, now the Indus river originates near Lake Mansarovar in the Himalayas in Tibet. Okay, it flows westwards. ठीक है, ये वेस्ट की तरफ फ्लो करती है बेटा. यू कैन सी हेयर द इंदस हैज़ रिटन in the picture. You can see with the red color the Indus has written. So this is the towards this is the west direction, so it flows towards westwards. Okay, and the Ganga was flowing towards eastwards. Okay, so it flows westwards. It enters India in Ladakh. बेटा ये सबसे पहले जब इंडिया में एंटर करती है, ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले where it enters Ladakh. Okay, and flows through it. After that it enters Pakistan. After flowing from the Ladakh region, then it enters to the Pakistan, and then the five rivers Beas, Chenab, Jhelum, Ravi and Satluj join together and merge with the Indus. You can see in the picture beta there are five rivers: Jhelum, Beas, Ravi, Satluj and Chenab. ठीक है, these all five rivers join at a point. एक point पे बेटा ये सारी आके मिलती हैं. Then these five rivers after meeting with each other, after joining with each other, then they merge with the river Indus. ठीक है बेटा, ये पांचों की पांचों जो रिवर्स हैं, these five rivers they merge with the river Indus. ये किसके साथ जाके मर्ज होती है? इंदस रिवर के साथ. ओके, then after that it finally flows into the Arabian Sea. ओके, एट द लास्ट बेटा जो इंदस रिवर है इट फाइनली रीचेज टू द अरेबियन सी. लाइक गंगा वॉज फाइनली रीचिंग टू द बे ऑफ बंगाल. ठीक है, जो गंगा थी बेटा हमारी वो फाइनली एट लास्ट इट ड्रेन्स इन टू द बे ऑफ बंगाल, बट जो इंदस रिवर है इट फाइनली रीचेज और फ्लोज इन टू द अरेबियन सी. सो दिस इज आर रिवर, सेकेंड रिवर द इंदस अंडर द हिमालयन रिवर सिस्टम. ओके, now we will talk about the Brahmaputra. This is the last and third river that comes under the Himalayan river system. So it also originates in the Tibet. It also originates in Tibet area beta. Okay, near Lake Mansarovar in the Himalayas. So both are originates from the same area. Indus was also originates in the Tibet near the Lake Mansarovar. It also originates in Tibet near Lake Mansarovar in the Himalayas. Okay, and it flows eastward. It flows eastward like our Ganga. You can see here has written that Ganga it flows eastward. So like Ganga, Brahmaputra also flows eastwards. Okay, and enters in Arunachal Pradesh. When it flows eastward, then in India firstly it enters into the Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, you can see here in the map, you can see Brahmaputra is written with the red color. Brahmaputra is written with the red color, and you can see it is flowing towards the east. And in India firstly it enters into the Arunachal Pradesh. It flows through Assam and our neighboring country Bangladesh, and finally drains into the Bay of Bengal. So this is the path of Brahmaputra river. Firstly it flows eastwards, ईस्ट की तरफ फ्लो करती है बेटा, एंड इट एंटर्स इंडिया. जब ये इंडिया में एंटर्स करती है फर्स्टली इट एंटर्स इनटू द अरुणाचल प्रदेश, देन इट फ्लोज थ्रू असम. यू कैन सी हेयर after entering the Arunachal Pradesh, then it flows through Assam. Then after that it enters to our neighboring country Bangladesh. It enters to our neighboring country, that is Bangladesh. Okay, and after that After that, then finally it drains into the Bay of Bengal. So last point of the Brahmaputra is the Bay of Bengal. Okay, last पे आके then it finally reaches, or you can say finally drains into Bay of Bengal. Okay, so this is the path of the river Brahmaputra. In Assam, people consider it as a symbol of power and greatness. कहते असम के जो लोग हैं बेटा, इस रिवर को, ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर को, वो क्या मानते हैं? एज अ सिंबल ऑफ पावर एंड ग्रेटनेस. ओके, सो during the rainy season, Brahmaputra river swells up in overflowing floods and devastates human settlements. Okay, क्या होता है बेटा? whenever there is a rainy season, you all know that Brahmaputra getting its water from the glaciers. So during the rainy season, now it is getting its water from the glaciers as well as from the rain. Okay, so due to that rain water, the Brahmaputra river swells up, द वाटर बिकम्स ओवरफ्लो. ठीक है, जो वाटर होता है बेटा वो बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है. दैट्स वाई इट स्वेल्स अप एंड in overflowing floods, and it causes then due to the when the river becomes swells up, then it causes the floods. Okay, and it can also destroy the human settlements. You can say it also destroys the various areas where population is there, where human settlement is there. Okay, it also brings a huge amount of silt and rich nutrients to the downstream areas. कहते जो लो lying areas होते हैं, ठीक है, वहाँ पे इट ऑल्सो लाइक गंगा जो वाटर है, दैट वाज ऑल्सो ब्रिंगिंग द न्यूट्रिएंट्स ना बेटा, दैट वाज ऑल्सो ब्रिंगिंग न्यूट्रिएंट्स, एंड दैट न्यूट्रिएंट्स वर डिपॉजिटेड इन द गंगेटिक प्लेन्स. सो लाइक दैट this river also brings a huge amount of silt and rich nutrients with it, and those nutrients get deposited to the downstream areas. जो low lying areas होते हैं वहाँ पे वो deposit हो जाता है. Okay, so this is the river Brahmaputra, and now we have finished with our Himalayan river system. In the next video we will talk about the peninsular river system, because in India we have two types of river system na. One is Himalayan river system and second one is the peninsular river system. Okay, so we have finished with our Himalayan river system. So under Himalayan river system there are three rivers: the Ganga, the Indus and the Brahmaputra. Okay, so we have read about them one by one. So your today's homework is, please read about these two rivers, the Indus and the Brahmaputra, at home, and these are very interesting and very easy. These are very easy and interesting. You can read with the help of these maps also. In the maps the clearly is shown everything, so you can take help of these maps. Okay, and after that in the next video we will start with the peninsular river system. Okay everyone, so this was our today's video. Hope you all understand this. We will now we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye everyone.